Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can create an n8n workflow with AI, so please listen carefully to each detail and step that I will be explaining, and this will help you automate tasks using AI tools integrated in n8n. So first, you will have to make sure that you're already logged into your n8n account, and then you will create a new workflow and add an AI node like, for example, OpenAI or AI action node or something like that, and then you will create credentials using your AI API key. And then you will configure the node to receive prompts and generate responses, and then you will connect other nodes to use AI output for actions like sending emails or updating databases and so on. Then you will test your workflow to make sure that your AI responses are correctly processed. And by the way, if your screen looks different, you can also check under the nodes and then you will see AI, and then you will click either Open AI or Custom AI. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.